Hey, Doug Rawadi here, Sandler Training in Connecticut, and this is another 60-second sales training. I'm going to open this episode with a few potentially uncomfortable questions. Have you lost sales because you couldn't get the customer to be honest with you about their true buying motives? Were there times you were afraid to talk about money because you felt uncomfortable having that conversation? Were there times you did proposals and came to the conclusion that the customer really wasn't ever going to buy? Have you ever done presentations for people who weren't capable of making a buying decision? If you've had any of these sales experiences and came away with nothing for your efforts, then you need to learn new skills. As the saying goes, the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, hoping for a different result. It's not going to happen. You have to change. Make a commitment to learn new selling skills so that the second half of 2021 will kick ass. Call me to begin that process. This is Doug Rawadi with Sandler Training in Connecticut. 203-257-4551 is my mobile number, and that's today's 60-second sales training.